Have you ever heard the term bull market and wonder what it means? Why do people get so excited when they hear it? In simple terms, a bull market happens when stock prices are rising steadily. Think of it as a period when investors are confident. They believe prices will continue to go up. A bull market occurs when the price of an asset or stock rises by about 20% or more. But why does this happen? It's simple. There are more buyers than sellers. But why is it called a bull market? The name comes from how a bull attacks. It charges upwards with its horns. In the same way, prices in the bull market are pushing upwards. So, when does a bull market occur? It happens when the economy is strong, unemployment is low, and the companies are doing well. People feel optimistic about the future and they want to invest more. Is it all good news? Not always. Prices can't keep going up forever. Eventually, the market slows down or even reverses. But for now, a bull market signals growth and confidence. Next time you hear bull market, you will know it's a sign of rising markets and optimism. Thanks for watching. If you find this information helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more financial insights.